Hello everyone, today I am going to solve model question paper 1. Okay, so there will be 38 questions total. Okay, multiple choice question there will be 8, so it is from 1 to 8 question. 1 mark question there will be 8 and it starts from 9 to 16. 2 mark question there will be 8, so 8 2s are 16 and it starts from 17 to 24. 3 mark question there will be 9 3s are 27, it starts from 25 to 33 question. 4 mark question there will be 4, okay, so 4 4s are 16 marks, so it starts from 37 to 34 to 37. 5 mark question there will be 1, so 1 5s are 5, that will be 38th question. So total there will be 38 questions. Now main first, these are multiple choice questions. Okay, the first question is the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 raised to 5 into 5 is. So in these two the common factor is 2 into 5. The correct answer is A. The second question is the sum of the first natural numbers is. The correct option for this is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, because this is the formula. And the third question is in the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Which of the following situation cannot arise? This is already there, formula. Again this is also a formula, this is also a formula. And the option D is not a formula, so this cannot arise. Now fourth question is the number of zeros of polynomial y is equal to p of x in this given graph. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So the correct option is B, that is 3. Now fifth question is x into x plus 2 is equal to 6 is a. Among this, which is the correct option? So x into x is x square plus 2 into x is 2x, and this 6 comes to the left hand side, it will become minus 6 is equal to 0. This looks like a quadratic equation. Okay, so the correct option is B. Sixth question is in this figure PQR is similar to ABC. Okay, the pair of corresponding sides, which is the correct option pair of corresponding side in this? You can see angle P is equal to angle A. Okay, angle R is equal to angle C. So if I consider PQ as one side and AB as the one more side, so the correct option will be PQ and AB. Now the seventh question is sine square A minus cos square A is equal to, which one is the correct option? As you already know the formula, sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This sine square A, okay, can be written as 1 minus, if this cos square A goes to the right hand side, it will become minus, okay, minus this cos square A, I am going to write as it is. So 1 minus, how many cos square A are there? 2 are there. So the answer is 1 minus 2 cos square A. The correct option is B. Now 8th question, the sum of the probability of all the elementary events of a random experiment is. As you know that in the probability P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. So this is the sum of the probability. So the correct option is option C. Now 9th question, find the value of a B if the pair of linear equation is these two equations they have given and they are telling has a infinite solution. Now what is the infinite solution formula? It is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now here in the second equation, I am going to cancel 2 1s are 2 8s are. Okay, A1 is 2 here, A2 is 2 again, B1 is B and B2 is 3 and this is 8 by 8. 2 1s are cancel, 8 1s are and 8 1s are cancel. So either you can take left side or a right side. So 3 into 1 is 3. So the B value is 3. Fine. Now next one, write the degree of the polynomial for this given equation. So degree is nothing but the highest exponential. So what is the highest exponential of the variable x is 3. So the degree will be 3. Fine. Then next. Now 11th question is, if sine A is equal to root 3 by 2, cos A is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of a tan A. Now what is the formula for tan A? It is sine A by cos A. Now what is the value of sine A? It is root 3 by 2 and cos A is 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is the answer. Now 12th question. Write the empirical relation between the three measures of the central tendency, mean, median and a mode. So for this the answer is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Okay. Now 13th question. Express the quadratic equation x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by x in the standard form. Now what is this standard form? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now how I can solve this? I'll multiply this x here in the numerator part, and 2 into 3 is 6. So x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x. Bring this 6 on the left hand side, it will become minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form. Okay. 14th question. Find the distance of the point 6, 8 from the origin. So distance is d. Consider this as a x and this as a y. So the formula will be x square plus y square, since there is only one point. Okay. So this will be 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64, and this square root of 100 is 10, and you need to write units. Now 15th question says triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS and PQ is parallel to SR. If PQ divided by SR is equal to 1 by 2, we need to find OS divided by OQ. Now PQ divided by SR is 1 by 2, so I can write OQ divided by OS. So OQ divided by OS is also 1 by 2, but they are asking OS by OQ. So reverse this. So the ratio will be 2:1. So you can write it as a 2:1. Fine. 16th question. The circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter. Okay. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So how much they have given? 44 is equal to 2 into pi into r. So 44 divided by 2 pi is equal to r. 2 ones are 2, 22s are. So r value is 22 by pi. Now here 2 pi, r value is how much? 22 by pi. So 22 by pi. And h value, height, how much they have given? 10 centimeter. So right here 10. Pi and pi get cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44 into 10. So the answer is 440 centimeter square, since it is in area. Now from here there are 2 mark question. So 17th question is, prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Okay. Now 3 plus root 5 is equal to, I am going to consider a by b. Fine. Now a and b are co-prime, where b is not equal to 0. Also you can consider a and b are integers. Now root 5 is equal to a by b. Take this 3 on the right hand side, it will become minus 3. Now take LCM of this. A minus 3b divided by b. So by this what we can tell? Root phi is a rational. Since contradiction arises that root phi is irrational. Fine. Our assumption 3 plus root phi is a rational is incorrect. So we conclude that 3 plus root phi is an irrational number. Now 18th question is, what is a composite number? Numbers that have more than 2 factors. Now next question is, which is the composite number among 23 and 24? 23 is a prime number. Now 24 is a composite number because it has 2 factors. How? 8 3s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 2 into 12 is 24. I hope these examples are enough to understand a composite number. Okay, 23 is a prime number. Now, either this or this question state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So, every composite number that can factorize as a product of a primes, you can see, okay, which are unique. Now, write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as the only prime factors. So what I can write is 7 into 3. So the answer is 21. 19th question is, find the 21st term of a AP 5, 9, 13 so on using the formula. Okay, so let me write the formula first. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. As you know that this is A1, A2, A3. So what is A? It is the first term, that is 5. Now what is the common difference? It is A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. So, and n value they have given is 21. So let us substitute here. A value is 5, n value is 21 minus 1 and D value is 4. 5 plus 21 minus 1 is 20. 5 plus 20 into 4 is 80. 80 plus 5 is 85. So this is 21st term of AP. Okay. Now 20th question. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Since these two variables are same, what I am going to do is, I am going to write here minus, here also minus and here also minus. So this is plus and this is minus. This both get eliminated. Now 1 minus 2 is minus x. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Cancel this minus and this minus. So x value will become 2. Substitute this in any one equation. Let me write x plus y is equal to 4. Now x value is 2. Now take this 2 on the right hand side. So it will be minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the y value? It is 2. Now 21st question is, find the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0 has a 2 equal real roots. Find the equation. Now let me compare this with the standard equation. Now what is the value of a? Since there is a nothing, so it will be 1. Now what is the value of b? It is b. And c will be 9. Since it is a 2 equal roots, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B value will be b, 4, a value is 1, c value is 9, okay, equal to 0. B square is equal to 4 9s are 36. Take on the right hand side, it will become plus 36. Okay, b is equal to square root of 36. So the answer will be plus or minus 6. Since they have given here b is less than 1, so I have to consider b as a minus 6, right? Now I have to write the equation. So the equation will be x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Fine. Now 22nd question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point A and B in the ratio 3:1 internally. So this will be m1, this will be m2. So first let me write the formula. The formula is m1 plus m2, and here also m1 plus m2. In the numerator part, m1, m2, here m1 plus m2. Now here x2, here x1, here y2, and here y1. Now let us substitute the values. So this is x1, y1, x2 and y2. First let me write the ratio m1 and m2. That is 3 plus 1. Here also 3 plus 1. Here I am going to write 3 plus 1. Here 3 plus 1. Now x2, what is the value of x2? It is 8. Now what is the value of x1? It is 1. And y2 will be 5. Y1 will be minus 3. Okay. Now 8 3s are, it is 24 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, and 15 minus 3 is how much? 12 by 4. So 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4. 4 1s are, 4 3s are, so it is 3. So the coordinates are 5 by 4 comma 3. Now 23rd question. In the figure, xy is the tangent at a point P to a circle with the center O. Q is a point on xy. Show that OQ is greater than OP. Now first join OQ. So I have joined OQ at, let me consider Z. Now what will be OZ? It is a radius. Okay. Also OP is also a radius. Fine. Now I can write OQ as a OZ plus ZQ. I repeat, OQ is equal to OZ plus ZQ. Now OQ is equal to, what is OZ? It is OP plus ZQ. Clearly it shows that OQ is greater than OP. Hence proved. Now 24th question is, a toy is in the form of a cone. So let me draw a cone of a radius 3.5. So from here the radius is 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of a same radius. It means hemisphere radius is also same of a cone. The total height of the toy is a 15.5. From here till here the total height is 15.5 centimeter. Okay. Find the total surface area of the toy. So total surface area of a toy is equal to curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Now this is pi r L plus the formula for curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now they haven't given the slant height. To find the slant height, first I am going to subtract this total height from the cone. So 15, so let me write here 15.5 minus 3.5, it will be 12 centimeter. So height of the cone is 12 centimeter. To find the slant height, there is a formula. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Now height of the cone is 12, so it is 2 square, and radius is 3.5 square. So 12 square is 144 plus 3.5 square is 12.25. So if you add and take a square root of this, you will get a answer as a 12.5 centimeter, the slant height. Okay. Now here, what is common? It is pi r. So L plus 2r. So pi is 22/7. R value is how much? R is 3.5. I don't want to write that in the decimal. I'll write it in the fraction, that is 7/2. So it will be 7/2. Now here, how much? 12.5 plus 2 into radius is 7/2. Now this 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So it is 11. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 12.5 plus 7 is a 19.5. Okay. So if you multiply this, you will get final answer as a 214.5. And since it is in area, so this will be in centimeter square. Now this is our question in the same 24th. Okay, the volume of the sphere is 539/3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. Now, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? So it is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so this is 539 divided by 3. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So here 4 into pi value is 22/7 r cube, and here 539. Now 11 twos are 22, and here this will be 11 fours are 44 and 11 nines are. Okay, so r cube will be, this is 49. Okay, this 7 multiplies here, and this 4 here, and this 2 here. Clearly you can see r cube is equal to 7/2 cube. So what will be the r value? R value will be 7/2 centimeter. I hope you understood till here. Now surface area of a sphere. Surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value is 22/7, and r value is how much? 7/2. Since it is a square, I am going to write 2 times. Okay, 2 2s are 4, so 4 get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 ones are. So 22 into 7 is 154. Since it is in area, it should be written in centimeter square. Now these are 3-mark question. So 25th question is, one of the zeros of the polynomial is p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other zero. Then find the value of k. So in the standard form, if I write, okay, what will be the value of a? A will be 1, b will be minus 5, and c will be k. Now what is sum? I'll consider m plus n is equal to minus b by a, and product, if I consider mn, so this will be c by a. Now first let me write minus b value is minus 5, a value is 1, so minus into minus is plus, so it will be 5/1, also written as a 5. Now the question says one more than the other zero, so I am going to consider m is equal to n plus 1, because it is one more than the other. So in place of m, I am going to write n plus 1. Again I am going to write n. So how many n are there? So it is 2n plus 1. So here also 2n plus 1. So 2n, take this 1 on the other side, it will become minus. So 2n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4/2. So n value is how much? 2. Substituting this n value here. Okay, now C is how much? K, and A value is 1. Now M value will become 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So M is 3, N is 2. 2 3 is a 6. So K value is 6. So I can write the equation in this form. Now 26th question is, find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. I'm going to consider sum as a x plus y is equal to 27 and product as a xy is equal to 182. Now x is equal to 27, take this y on the other side, so it will become minus. So in place of x, substitute 27 minus y into y is equal to 182. Multiply this, 27y minus y square is equal to 182. Take all the terms on the other side. So it will be y square minus 27y plus 182 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the factors. If you multiply, you should get 182, and if you add, you should get a minus 27. So the two numbers are minus 13 and minus 14. Okay, you can solve by factorization method, or there is a simple method. If this is minus, then write it as a plus, and if this is minus, then write it as a plus. Therefore, two numbers are 13 and 14. That's it. Now 26th or question. The altitude of the right angled triangle. So let me draw a right angled triangle first. I'll name it as a P, Q and a R. Now is a 7 centimeter less than the base. So base I'm going to consider as a x centimeter. Since it is a altitude less than, so I'm going to write x minus 7. Now hypotenuse is how much? 13 centimeter. Now find the other two numbers by using Pythagoras theorem. So it will be PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now what is PR square? It is 13 square. PQ is how much? X minus 7 square. QR is how much? X square. Now 13 square is 169. Now this you have to use A minus B square formula. It is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. So how I'm going to write? X square plus 7 square minus 2 into X into 7 plus X square. So here 169. So is equal to x square into x square. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. Take this 49 on the other side. So it will be minus 49. So this will be 2x square minus 14x. So this will be 120 2x square minus 14x. Now divide by 2. Divide this term by 2. 2 ones are 260 is a 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So I'm going to write here x square minus 7x. This is a 60. When 60 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus. Okay. Now tell me two numbers. If I multiply, I must get a 60. If I multiply, I must get minus 60, and if I add, I must get a minus 7. So the two numbers are 12 5s is 60, and if I write minus 12 plus 5, then it will be minus 7. So here directly I am going to write this. If it is minus 12, then it will be plus 12. If it is plus 5, then this will be minus 5. Negative numbers are not allowed. So x value is 12 centimeter. That is nothing but a base. Now altitude. So it is x minus 7. 12 minus 7 is a 5 centimeter. So altitude is 5 centimeter and base is 12 centimeter. Now 27th question is, prove that Sin a plus cosec a square plus cos a plus secant a square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Now to solve this, I'm going to use this formula a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this can be written as sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a. Okay, again for this also I am going to use a plus b square formula. So cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. Okay, now as you all know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. You can see here sin square a and here cos square. So I am going to write 1. Cosec square means 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So in place of cosec, I am going to write 1 plus cot square a plus cosec a into sin a get cancelled because these two are reciprocal of each other. So what is remaining? Only 2 is remaining. Plus, now here secant square. So 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. So for this I am going to write 1 plus tan square a plus cos a and secant a are reciprocal of each other. So what is remaining? Only 2. You can see here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So I am going to write 7. So what is remaining? Cot square a plus tan square a. Over. 28th question. Find the relation between x and y such that the point P x comma y is equidistant from the points A and B. So this is A 7 comma 1, this is B 3 comma 5, x1 y1 x2 y2. Here it is P, it is equidistance, it means it is equal. Fine. Now I can write AP is equal to PB by distance formula. Okay, what is the distance formula? So x minus x1 square and y minus y1 square, and here I can write it as x minus x2 square, y minus y2 square. This square root and square root get cancelled. So what I can write here? x1 y1 x2 y2. So x minus x1 value is 7 and y minus y1 value is 1 square. X minus x2 value is 3 square and y minus this will be y2. So it is 5 square. Now I have to use a minus b square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be x square plus 7 square minus 2 into x into 7. Okay, plus y square plus 1 square minus 2 into y into 1 is equal to x square plus 3 square minus 2 into x into 3 plus y square plus 5 square minus 2 into y into 5. Now this x square, this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. Now for 7 square is 49 and 2 7s are 14 plus 1 square is 1, 2 1s are 2 and 3 square is 9, 3 2s are 6 and 5 square is 25 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, bring all the terms on the one side. So let me write minus 14x minus 2y. If minus comes this side, it will become plus, and this also. Okay, and the remaining terms 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 50, and this will be 25 plus 9 is 34. So if I subtract this, so it will be minus 8x and plus 8y is equal to 16. Fine. Now take common. 8 is common. Minus x plus y is equal to 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So I can write this as a y minus x is equal to 2. So as per the question, find the relation between x and y is this. Now they are telling also find the coordinates of the point P if they are collinear. So I can use midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now this is 7 plus 3 divided by 2, 1 plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so it is 10 by 2 and 6 by 2. So 5 comma 3. Now 28th or question. If the points A, B, C, D are vertices of a parallelogram, then find the values of x and y. So here I am going to write diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD using midpoint formula. Okay, so what is the midpoint formula? If I write here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. If it is AC, then it is x1 plus x3 divided by 2, y1 plus y3 divided by 2, and here x2 plus x4 divided by 2 and y2 plus y4 divided by 2. Okay, 4 plus 4 divided by 2, 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, and it will be like x plus 7 by 2 and y plus 2 by 2. Equating this, okay, 4 plus 4, it is 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 7 by 2. Fine. Now 5 plus 3 is again 8 by 2 and this will be y plus 2 divided by 2. This 2 get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled. Okay. Now take the 7 on the left side, it will become minus 7. So x value is 1. Take this 2 on the left hand side, so it will become minus. So y value will be 6. So the values of x and y is x is 1, y is 6. Now 29th question. Find the mean for the frequency distribution given. So these are the class interval, these are the frequency. You need to construct two more columns. One is class mark and one is f into x. So what is the middle number for the 10 and 20? It is 15 and this will be 25, this will be 35, this will be 45 and this will be 55. Now the last column is 15 into 2. So how much? 30. 25 into 3 is 75. So 5 into 35, it is 175. 7 into 45 is 315. 3 into 55 is 165. Okay. Now if you add this, you will get summation of fi xi. So if you add this, then it will be 760. And if you add these frequencies, so you will get 20. So they are asking what is the mean. What is the formula for the mean? Summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Okay, 760 divided by 20. 0, 0 get cancelled. 76 by 2 is 38. So this is your answer. Now 29th or question. Here in this they are asking what is the median for the frequency distribution given here. Class interval they have given, frequency they have given. You need to construct one more column by name cumulative frequency. Now how to write this? Write this 2 as it is. Now add this. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 plus 11 is 15. 5 plus 15 is a 20. Write this same value here at a frequency column. Okay. Now what is the formula for median? It is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Now which is the bigger number in the frequency column? It is 6. So this is your F. Above this is a CF. Now here this one lower limit is a L and the difference of that is H. Substitute here and get the value answer. Now what is the L? It is 25. N value is 20. So 20 by 2 minus CF is 5 and F is 6 and H value is 5. 2 ones are 2 tens are 25 plus 10 minus 5 is 5 by 6 into 5. 25 plus 5 5s are 25 by 6. Now 6 ones are 6 4s are 24. So 25 plus 4 is equal to 29 and write here approximately. You don't need to find the exact value. If it is approximately, then you can write approximately. Okay. Now 30th question. A boy and a girl are born in the same month of a September. Find the probability that both will have different birthdays, same birthday. In September there are 30 days. Okay, so this is a n of s, that is a sample space. Now probability that they have a different birthday means there are 29 by 30 days of chances, and if probability of a same birthday means it will be 1 by 30 because it is on the same day. Now the 31st question is, in a scalene triangle ABC, okay, draw a line parallel to BC. Let this line intersect AB at D, AC at E. DE by BC is in the ratio of 2:5. AD is 2, AE is 3, DE is 4. Then find the perimeter. So let me write DE by BC here first is equal to 2 by 5. Now what is DE value? It is 4 by BC is equal to 2 by 5. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, 2 into 5 is a 10 centimeter. BC into 1 is BC. So BC value is 10 centimeter. Fine. Similarly, if I write AD by AB is equal to, again I am going to write 2 by 5. What is AD value? It is 2 by AB is equal to 2 by 5. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Then next, AE by AC is equal to 2 by 5. Now what is AE value? It is 3 by AC is equal to 2 by 5. Now 5 3 is 15 by 2 centimeter is equal to AC, or you can write 7.5 centimeter is equal to AC. Now what they are asking, find the perimeter of the triangle. Now perimeter means add all this, 10 plus 5 plus 7.5. Now if you add this, you will get 22.5 centimeter. Now 32 question is a theorem. So prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point. So this is the circle. So this is the length of the tangent drawn to a circle are equal. So these two are equal. That is PQ is equal to PR. Now given O is the center of a circle, P is the external point, PQ and PR are tangents. To prove, so PQ and PR are equal. Now construction, join OQ, OP and OR in triangle PQO, this one, and PRO. From here you can see angle Q and angle R are 90 degree, since this is the radius and the tangent. So OP is the common side, OQ and OR are radii. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by RHS theorem. So PQ is equal to PR by CPCT. Now question number 33 is the area of the sector OAYB shown in the figure is 462 centimeter square. The length of the arc AYB, okay, find length of the arc. Okay, now there is a formula for area of a sector. Area of sector means theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now theta is how much? 120 by 360, 22 by 7 into r square, and area of sector is how much here? 462. 0 0 get cancelled, 12 ones are 12 threes are 22 ones are 22 21s are is 462. Now here 21 into 7 threes are 21. So what is remaining here? R square. This shows that R value is 21 centimeter because there are two. Okay, now length of the arc AYB is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 120 by 360, 2 into 22 by 7. R value is how much here? 21. 0 0 get cancelled, 12 ones are 12 threes are 3 7s are 21, and this 21 get cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. Now 33rd question, or the area of the sector of the circle. This is a circle. Okay, area means, let me consider O, A and B is numerically equal to the length of the arc. Okay, and then if the length of the arc is 44 by 21 centimeter, find the radius, that is this. Okay, and also find the angle. Fine. So area of a sector is equal to length of a arc, since they are equal. So what is area of a sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta divided by 360, length of the arc means 2 pi r. This and this entirely get cancel. Pi get cancel. 1 r and 1 r get cancel. So r is equal to 2 centimeter. So find the radius. So radius is how much here now? This is 2 centimeter and this is 2 because of radius. Now we need to find the angle by arc. So length of an arc is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, length how much they have given? 44 by 21. So theta by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7, and radius is how much? 2. Okay, Now 44 and 2 into 22 is 44. 2 ones are 2, 180 is a. Fine. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 360 is a. So theta value is 60 degree. Now 34th question is a 4-mark question and you need to solve by graphical method. So x plus y is equal to 6 and 2x plus y is equal to 10. Write here xy, write here xy. Always take once x as a 0, y as a 0, take once x as a 0, y as a 0. Now if you take x as a 0, then y will become 6. If you take y as a 0, then x will become 6. So if you take x as a 0, then y will become 10. And if you take y as a 0, then this will become 10 by 2 is how much? 5. So let me draw the graph. So y is x-axis 0. Now what is the highest number in the x-axis? It is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see here. In the y-axis, which is the highest number? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 to 6. So I'm going to mark here. 6 to 0. I'm going to mark here. Okay. Right here, x plus y is equal to 6. 0 to 10. I'm going to mark here. And 5 to 0. I'm going to mark here. Draw a line like this and write here 2x plus y is equal to 10. Compulsory, you should write a scale on x-axis. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Over. 35th question. The ratio of a 11th and 8th term of an AP is 3:2. So I'm going to write here A11, A8 is equal to 3 by 2. Find the ratio of sum of first 5 terms. Okay. To the sum of first 21 terms. Yes, 21. Now what is A11? It is A plus 10D. A8 is A plus 7D is equal to 3 by 2. Now I'm going to multiply this here. 2a plus 20d, 3a plus 21d. Take this 2a on that side, 21 this side. So it will be minus 21 plus 20 is equal to 3a plus 3a minus 2a. So a is equal to minus d. Fine. Now what is Sn formula? N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So n is 5 here. So 5 by 2, 2a plus 5 minus 1 is 4d. 21 by 2, 2a plus 21 minus 1 is 20d. Okay. Now 5 by 2, take 2 common. So it will be a plus 4d, a plus 2d. Okay. And divided by 21 by 2. Take common here also. So it will be a plus 10d. This 2 get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled. Now 5. A value is how much here? Minus d. So minus d plus 2d divided by 21 minus d plus 10d. So this will be how much? 5 into 1d divided by 21 by 9d. D and d get cancelled. So the final answer will be 5 divided by 21 into 9 is 189. Thirty-sixth question is also a theorem. Prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles, okay, ADBE, okay, are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is AB, DE, AC, DF, and hence two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABC, that is given DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. To prove, we need to prove corresponding sides. So which are sides here? AB by DE, this is AB, this is DE. BC by EF, this is BC, this is EF. AC by DF, this is AC, this is DF. Construction. Now cut DP in such a way that it should be equal to AB. DQ should be equal to AC. Now join PQ. Now in the proof, triangle ABC and DPQ. Angle A is equal to angle D. It is in the given. Side AB is equal to DP. Side AC is equal to DQ. It is in the construction part. So triangle ABC is congruent to DPQ by SAS. Side, and angle postulate. So BC is equal to PQ. Triangle ABC is equal to DPQ by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of the corresponding triangle. So in the given, angle ABC is equal to DEF. By that we can tell that PQ is parallel to EF. Now DP is divided by DE, PQ divided by EF, DQ divided by DF. So AB by DE instead of DP, because they both are similar. BC divided by EF and AC divided by DF. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. 37th question. An wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. So I'm going to draw a solid cylinder here. Okay. Now scooping out the hemisphere from each end. So like this and like this. So this is the hemisphere. Fine. Shown in the figure. So if the height of the cylinder, that is h is equal to 10 centimeter, radius of its base is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now find the total surface area of the article. Now total surface area of the article is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder plus how many hemispheres are there? 2. So 2 curved surface area of a hemisphere. Now what is the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder? It is 2 pi RH plus 2 into curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now take common. 2 pi r is common. So h plus 2r. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 3.5. Instead of decimal, I am going to write in fraction. That is 7 by 2. Height is how much? 10 plus 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Now cancellation part. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 and 2 again get cancelled. So 22 is remaining here. 10 plus 7 is 17. So what will be the final answer if you multiply this? 374 centimeter square, since it is in area. Now 37th question is the OR question. Okay. A juice seller was serving his customer using a glass as shown in the figure. The inner diameter, so D is 5 centimeter, but the bottom of the glass had a hemisphere raised portion, that is this. Okay, which reduces the capacity of the glass. If the height of the glass is 10 centimeter, then find the apparent capacity and actual capacity. So what will be the R value? R will be D by 2. That is nothing but 5 by 2. Now first let me write apparent capacity. To find this, I have to use volume of a cylinder. Now what is the formula for volume of the cylinder? It is pi r square h. Pi you should take 3.14. You cannot take 22 by 7 because they have already given here. Now r is how much? 5 by 2 square, and the h value is 10. If you calculate this entire, then you will get 196.25 centimeter square. Okay, sorry, this should be in the cube because it is in the volume. This was the apparent capacity. So next one is actual capacity. Actual capacity is equal to volume of a cylinder minus volume of a hemisphere. Okay. Now, what is the answer for this? Volume of a cylinder, it is 196.25 minus volume of a cylinder formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now 2 by 3, pi value is 3.14 into r value is 5 by 2 cube. Now if you calculate this and if you subtract with this, you will get a 163.55 centimeter cube as a final answer. Now 38th question is a 5-mark question. Now AB and RQ, this is AB, this is RQ, are two vertical towers standing on a level ground. Fine. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point P, okay, is on the same ground, and the foot of the tower RQ, okay, from here elevation if you consider, they both are 30 degree. So what I am going to write? In triangle APQ, angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to how much? 30 degree as shown in the figure. Now PQ, P to Q 24 meters, AR is 13 meters. Find the height of the tower, that is AB and PQ. It is actually RQ. Also find the length of the AP. Okay. Now here what I can write is PB, okay, is equal to BQ is equal to, it is 24 by 2, because PQ is 2 times of a PB or 2 times of a BQ. So it will be how much? 12 meters. Fine. Now if I consider in triangle APB, only this triangle, so it will be tan 30 degree is equal to, what is the opposite side? It is AB. And what is the adjacent side? It is PB. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. AB divided by 12. Okay. Now how you can write 12? 4 into 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Cancel this and this. So what will be AB value? AB is equal to 4 root 3 meters. Now I am going to consider one more triangle by name ABP. Again triangle APB. Now this time I am going to consider cos 30. So cos 30 means adjacent by hypotenuse, that is PB by AP. Because I already have the value of PB. Cos 30 means how much? It is root 3 by 2. PB is how much from here? It is 12. Okay. By AP, that is hypotenuse. Again 12 can be written as 4 into 3, or you can write root 3 into root 3 divided by AP, because already I have written here 4 into 3 means 4 into root 3 into root 3. This root 3 and this root 3 get cancelled. So AP is equal to 4 to the 8 root 3 meters. Now 8 into what is root 3 value? It is 1.7. If you multiply this, you will get 13.6 meters. Here also 4 into root 3 value is 1.7. So if you multiply this, you will get 6.8 meters. Now AB is equal to CQ. So I have taken here triangle. So I will consider one more triangle by name ARC. So hypotenuse is AR square is equal to AC square plus RC square. So this is 13 square, and AC we don't know. AC can be BQ. So it is 12 centimeter plus RC square. So this is 169 minus 144 is equal to RC square. So this is 25 is equal to RC square. Square root of 25 will be 5 centimeter. So next we need to find RQ. RQ can be RC plus CQ. Now RC, how much did I get? 5 plus CQ is how much? AB. AB is how much? 6.8 meters. So if you add this, how much you'll get? 11.8 meters.